welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel down below. And I'm actually doing this for the first time where I'm going to be reviewing some products from only one brand. I have not really done like a product review earlier, but I thought I'm gonna start this on my channel as well, because I do use quite a bunch of like skincare products, makeup products, like all of us, I guess. So yeah, the first brand that I actually wanted to talk about was MCaffeine. MCaffeine is sort of like the rave of the internet. I see so many bloggers, creators, YouTubers talking about it, and I genuinely discovered this brand through Instagram and through bloggers itself. I had no idea about it before. MCaffeine products, obviously, just as the name suggests, contain caffeine in their products, and I've heard a lot about their products and especially like their coffee range. So I tried out some products from that and I wanted to talk about that here. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Before I get on with the video, a small little disclaimer. There are some products here that did not work for me and some that worked wonderfully for me. The products that I did not like or I didn't work for me might work for you, and they might not work for you, like, because every skin is different, every body is different. Just keep that in mind, that it's a very subjective thing. So this will just be my personal opinion and my personal review of the products. The first product that I want to talk about is their coffee body scrub. Okay, this is so good. Like, I have heard rave reviews about it, but I genuinely did not expect it to be so good, and it is definitely like my favorite product from their range. Using it really, like, okay, so it exfoliates the skin really well. It smells amazing. It smells so delicious. It smells exactly like real coffee, and at the same time, after the exfoliation, my skin felt so soft, and my skin felt so soft and supple, like exactly like how they show in ads, especially like some lotion ads, like you do this and your like skin bounces and stuff. That is exactly how my body felt after using that exfoliating scrub. My skin felt so soft and so clean. I genuinely loved their scrub, and at the same time, the scrub comes with this cute little spoon that I absolutely love. So yeah, for me this was a big thumbs up. I loved it, and I would like give it like a 10 on 10 rating. I absolutely loved it, and it is definitely worth your money. Moving on to the next product, again something that I absolutely loved was their body polishing oil. The oil is so good. It really gives your body such a great shine, and I personally don't like a lot of oils. I don't like a lot of lotions, but this is not that sticky. It does not irritate your skin. It feels so nice. It also has a very nice mild smell that I absolutely love, and I loved the way it felt like on my skin. And as I said, I am not someone who likes oily stuff at all. Like, for me, using oils like is like a huge deal, that I genuinely thought, should I even try it out or not? But it was definitely worth trying out, and again, this product gets a thumbs up as well. Moving on to the next product is the product that was good but I did not love as such. It is their coffee face scrub. Again, it's a good product. It exfoliates your face nicely. Everything is fine. The one reason that I actually did not like it is because of the fragrance. It smells a lot like some sort of like a chocolate toffee or something, and it did not sit well with me. Like, I did not like the smell at all. But apart from that, it is a general scrub, but again, it's just a basic scrub. Like, I did not find anything very extraordinary about it. In fact, I also have used the coffee face scrub from Trent Botanica, and that is also as good as this one was. Both are sort of like the same, so I don't really see like a lot of hype about it. Yeah, it was a good product, but I didn't really like love it or anything. It was just okay. Moving on to the next product that again I absolutely loved is their coffee face mask. I am a sucker for clay masks, okay? I am anyway a sucker for them. I love face masks. I love a good face mask that literally takes away all impurities and everything. And this was such a good face mask. I absolutely loved it. the first reason why I loved it is because of its fragrance. I am not someone who likes a lot of fragrance wala stuff, okay, I don't like it, but iska fragrance was literally like this one chocolate pastry from this one local shop jo bachpan mein khate the. It is exactly the same fragrance, and yeah, it's just so, it's very pleasant for me personally. It smelled like chocolate, it literally smelled like chocolate. I hope, like, even if it would have smelled like coffee, I would have liked it, but it smelled like chocolate, and genuinely it felt like heaven to me. I absolutely loved the face mask. One of the greatest things about it is I feel that after it dries up, you're supposed to like rinse it off with warm water and also scrub your face, so it also gently exfoliates your face while you're doing that. And again, it's something that I absolutely loved. Now personally, because my skin is very oily, I love like face masks that are super drying, but this is not very drying. This does not like take away all the oils and leaves your skin very oil free or anything like that, but at the same time it does its job. It cleans very well. So it did not feel like all the oil is like drawn away from my face, but my face definitely felt so clean and so soft after the use of the face mask. I absolutely loved it. Moving on to the last product from the MCaffeine range, the product that I actually did not like at all. It did not sit well with me, and I genuinely did not even use it for more than once, and I'll tell you the reason why. It is their face wash. It is their coffee face wash. And okay, why I did not use it more than once is because I used it once and it made me break out instantly, and my face is very acne prone and it is oily, but I usually don't react to face washes like that. My skin is not very sensitive or anything like that. So usually sometimes it happens with creams. When I put on certain creams, my face does break out, but it still takes some time. Like you see the next day or something like that. This product, I used it like at 6 in the evening, and by 8:30 a pimple had popped up. And I again did try to use it once, but again, like one small pimple had popped up on my face, and I was like, I'm not using this product, because anyway I do suffer from hormonal acne and I am trying to manage that somehow. I don't need a product breaking me out just for a simple review. I did not try it. The other reason why I did not like it at all was because of his fragrance. It was not meant for me. The fragrance was so strong, and the thing is, the fragrance was so artificial that it was making like me feel very sick. And yeah, I did not like the face wash at all. I did not even give it a try, but it will definitely be like a thumbs down for me. And the point is, even if it did break me out, it did not even clean my face or anything like that. So even after using the face wash, it was not like I was very happy or satisfied with the way my skin felt. I was not. I just felt like, okay, like it was like a very basic face wash, not even like a good face wash. It was a very basic, like a very okay-ish face wash, and then it made me break out. So of course this product is definitely like a thumbs down for me. Didn't work out for me at all. If I had to recommend you 2 things that you should buy from here, I would definitely recommend you to buy the body scrub and buy the face mask. Both of them are amazing, and they have made their way up to my favorites right away. I love them. Apart from that, the other products are okay. You can miss them as well. It's not that big a deal. But the body scrub and face mask are definitely worth a try. Definitely. So yeah, these were the products that I tried out from MCaffeine. I am sort of planning to try out more products from them and planning to make more videos in this format where I basically review one brand. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you have tried the range or not. I will see you very soon in another video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and love yourself.